Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Juke side mirror. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and your new mirror. Always ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. For an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical issues. Next, you'll need to access the mirror's mounting bolts. Gently use a trim removal tool to pry off the interior door panel. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector for the mirror. Finally, unscrew the 3 mounting bolts that secure the old mirror assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for later use.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, it's time to install your new mirror. Carefully position the new side mirror assembly onto the door frame, aligning it with the bolt holes. Secure it firmly using the 3 mounting bolts you saved earlier. Make sure they are snug but do not over-tighten. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector to the new mirror assembly. With the new mirror in place, reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all clips snap back into position securely. Then, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Before you finish, test the new mirror's electronic adjustments and any integrated turn signal functionality to ensure everything works correctly. This confirms a successful installation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.